प्रोफेसर रविंद्र साळुंके, एजुकेशनल काउंसलर.
MCC, PG, MD, MS, DNB admission documents required. MCC NEET PG mandatory and additional documents list. General mandatory documents. Allotment letter issued by MCC. Medical Counseling Committee. Admit card issued by NBE, National Board of Examinations. Result. Rank letter issued by NBE. Date of birth. Certificate. If metric certificate does not bear the same. Class 10th marks sheet. Class 10 plus 2 HSC or equivalent. Marks sheet. Mark sheets of MBBS 1st, 2nd, 3rd, Part 1 and 2. Professional examinations and consolidated mark sheet. MBBS attempt certificate from the head of the institution or college. Internship completion certificate from the head of institution or college. MBBS course completion conduct certificate issued by the head of the institution or college. Transfer certificate from the head of the institution or college. MBBS degree certificate. Provisional certificate. Recognition of college by MCI, NMC. Migration certificate, if applicable, from the respective university. Permanent registration certificate issued by MCI, NMC or State Medical Council. 10. Passport size photograph same as affixed on the application form. Proof of identity Aadhaar, PAN card. Additional, conditional documents. SC, ST certificate issued by the competent authority in the format as specified in the information bulletin and should be in English or Hindi language. EWS certificate as per the Central Gov. Norms in the format as specified in the information bulletin and should be in English or Hindi language. List of OBC. OBC certificate issued by the competent authority. The subcaste should tally with the central. Disability certificate issued from a duly constituted and authorized medical board for 21 benchmark disabilities as per the Rights of Persons with Disability Act 2016 and NMC norms.
ज्ञान गुरु काउंसलिंग सेंटर, प्रोफेसर रविंद्र साळुंके, एजुकेशनल काउंसलर. कॉल 9850674719 and 7796346775. Our mail ID is gyanguru.edu@gmail.com. Our main office is in Pune. Our offices are also in Delhi, Bangalore and Mumbai. Visit our website thegyanguru.com. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates and information.